Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps category. Once at the apps menu, go for the default apps section, and here choose browser app. And basically all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully chosen Opera as our default browser. There is also the second way to do that from the Opera app itself. So open up the Opera. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on the avatar of your profile. And after this menu pops up, go for this gear, which stands for settings. And here scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser category. Tap on it, then tap on next, select Opera, set as default. And that was pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!